Hello, everyone. This is my review of the Mike and Ike Original Fruit Candy. This is a nice, chewy, fruity candy. Let you see the flavors we got here. These are the original flavors. So it's cherry, lemon, strawberry, lime, and orange. And I'm going to open them up so you can see it inside. These are, if you ever had jelly beans, they're kind of like jelly beans, but they're a lot longer and different texture to it. But this still tastes pretty good. They're pretty sweet, and it makes a pretty good snack. And sometimes I get addicted to it too much and eat the whole box. But it's a pretty good snack, and I highly recommend it. And I hope this